What's going on, guys? We're out here at Famous Redding Outdoors. We just recently put this Airaid Snorkel on our 4Runner, and we're out here putting it to the test. Now, most people think that if you have a snorkel, that means you need to be doing some serious water crossing or water's going up over your hood, and honestly, that's not the case. I mean, your OEM intake grabs air from right above your fender liner, so if you went through some of the stuff that we just went through, which isn't that serious, there is a potential to suck up water into your intake. With a snorkel, you're now extending your intake essentially 2 feet higher than it was before. So now instead of grabbing air from down here, you're grabbing air from up above the roof. So now the potential to suck up water is super low. So now to have any sort of issue, you'd have to have this thing completely submerged in water. I mean, you could have this thing up to here with water and it should still run perfectly fine, which if you're in water that deep, you got other issues. So on our 4Runner, we have the TRD intake, and the Airaid Snorkel is compatible with that, along with the OEM one, and if you have an Airaid intake, it is compatible with that as well. There's just a couple extra steps that you need to take. If you are wondering how to do the install on this snorkel, I'll put the description down below. We have a full video showing you how to do that, along with a video on how to install the TRD intake if you're interested in that. But if you're interested in the snorkel or the intake or any other parts for your 4Runner, check us out at yodaexpedition.com.